que cantando bien borrachos que bailamos.
Well, good morning, everybody. We're here in Oaxaca and gonna get an early start today. It's a long ride if I do it all the way. Anyways, I'm looking at going to San Cristabol, and that's on the way to Guatemala. So see how much mileage I get in today and see how I feel. Either I stop part way or I go all the way, and we'll see. It's a long one. It's over 600 and some kilometers, so let's just see how it shakes out. And yeah, let's get out there. So far, I'd say this is a beautiful town, and these guys are great. They allowed me to park the bike inside, keep it all safe, and here we go. Okay, let's get out there and have some fun.
Well, there's a low underlying cloud in here. That's pretty. That valley. Oh, there's a field of agaves. Agave takes 7 to 9 years to ripen before it's ready for production for tequila. Hard to believe. 7 to 9 years is a long time for stuff. So I thought it's a fog layer, but it's not. You can smell it. They're burning something. You know, like either the plant life or something like that, because you can just smell it. It's like a forest fire, but it's not a forest fire. Wow. Maybe they're burning the grass or the sugar cane or something. Holy smokes, that is thick. Really thick. Maybe it's a house fire. No, it smells. I don't know. It's really thick. Holy shit. There it is. I don't know what that is. Could be the whole house on fire, or it could be part of their work. But wow, look at the air quality on this side when the wind was blowing it that way, just like that, just cleaned right up. Well, I came around the corner and all of a sudden this whole area is full of cactus. Anyways, I just thought, get the camera set up and go. It's very cool. The whole mountainside is just this cactus everywhere. That's very cool. ¿Un accidente?
Sí.
¿Cuánto tiempo piensas? ¿Cuánto tiempo?
En abrir. Así como unos 20 minutos, media hora.
20 minutos. Oh, madre. Oh, he's talking 20 minutes. 20-minute wait. Jesus. 20 minutes. Maybe I can have a bite to eat. I got some granola back in a bit. Gracias. Hasta luego. So, I had a chance to have some tostitos, but more interesting was that I talked with this gentleman. I did not get to record it, unfortunately, but his name is Oscar, and Oscar lives around here, and he had 20 years. He had 20 years where he lived in California, or 20 years ago. Oh yeah, really bad accident here. He had 20 years in California 20 years ago, so his English is pretty good. He's got family living in California. We both agreed California is too expensive. But he lives here and he grows agave. And he said it's called the green gold because the crop is so good, but it does take 7 to 9 years before you can harvest. Yeah, really nice guy. And we're off. Fábrica de Mezcal is the production from the agave, I think. The route that Maps.me wants me to take cannot be done because a big section of it is under construction, and even the detour is closed. So now instead of getting to bypass the city, I have to go through the city. That's gonna kill some time. Windy, yeah?
Sí, está fuerte el aire.
Oh,
Aquí está más. Ahí está fuerte, va.
it's normal?
Está fuerte ya.
Mm. And what a valley, holy smokes. It must be normal here because I saw, further back, I saw a whole range of windmills just lined up for miles. So it must be the norm out here. Well, speed limit's 110, so I'm not breaking any laws. Well, the wind is so strong in this mountain road, it got me all the way down to 4th gear just to keep going. Crazy is that. Oh, and this is just like a direct wind tunnel. Oh man, it's incredible. The wind is incredible. Once in a while I can look over to my left side and I think I can see the ocean. I think. But holy smokes. What a mountain ride. I've never had such windy conditions ever. I mean, I'm sure lots of other people have. I'm sure the people living out here live with this. See if I can get a glimpse of the water out there. Yeah, just insane. It's so windy, it's incredible. Really, really incredible. At one point it actually moved me from one side of the lane to the other. I thought the bike was going to fall right over. There you go. Let's do back to the business at hand here. Whew. I'm about 2 hours out here. Sure hoping that I'm out of this wind tunnel long before that, because man, is it tiring. Oh, me, it's excessive. Hola. 26, 26, 27. Oh, maybe the money is in here. Muy difícil, ¿no? Gracias.
Wet gloves are even harder to put back on.
Gracias. Hasta luego. I feel bad for the guys that get behind me, but I gotta do what I gotta do. And I might as well be prepared, properly covered up.
Well, on a day when you have lots of mileage to do, you're really not hoping for a progression. And this is what's happening. We gotta, I think there had something to do with the Olympics. Maybe it's a bid for it or something, I don't know. Well, through everything, made it to San Cristabol, and I'm here at the hotel. I'll get you the name of the hotel in a little bit. It's a long one. And wow, what a ride. So the day took about, geez, it's 6 now. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Took about 10 hours of driving today, 630 kilometers. And man, beautiful curvy roads. I loved it. Then I got a wind tunnel. Didn't love it. Then I got rain. Can't say I love that. And now I'm in this mountain town and the clouds are flowing in and out. And that's where we're at. So yeah, I'm going to do what I can do with this, I guess. Anyways, we'll see if we're going to do more. Okay, well, this is the hotel I settled on. It's a pretty good settle, if you ask me. So this is the inner courtyard. There's a big museum or church or something out front. I'll get to that, figure that out. This is my room, the La Merced. And it's more than I thought I was getting. There comes one room. There's another room in here, the king size room. And then there's a washroom. Big full shower and a whole deal going. Yeah, Mr. Hello. Yep, it feels like winter because everybody's got a winter coat on. It feels like frickin' Christmas is what it does. Well, tonight's vegan meal is a burrito, fries, guacamole, some extra sidings, and a lemonade. Tacos veganos. Pretty good. Pretty good, I gotta tell you.
Que cantamos bien borracho, que bailamos bien borracho, nos besamos bien borracho,
Well, what a day. Not only did we have a long day of riding, I had to find a hotel. And the first hotel I picked, no way. Seen it, been there, done it. I don't need to go to a dump unless I absolutely have to. And it wasn't going to be near the center. And so anyways, I searched around. I found this little jewel here. I'm pretty happy with it. I could walk out to the center. I can go get a bite to eat. I feel safe. So that's all been good. And so now I'm back in my room. The lady at the front desk tells me the temperature here is temperate. And this is the normal temperature for the year. And I'm telling you, it's cool. As in, I've got 2 sweaters on. And I got this to be comfortable in my room. It's cool. So that's just the way this is. It's a high elevation mountain town. And things I learned. Because, I mean, I just came from where it was really toasty. Maybe during the day, it'll be warmer here. After a long ride like that, I'm seriously contemplating about taking another day and just relaxing, take some photos, do some editing, and just take it easy. And we'll see how that's going to shake out. I'll let you know. But I hope you enjoyed today's show. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Click that bell, and that will give you a notification when the new episodes are released. Subscribe. It makes it easier for you to find it on your TV or on your computer. Share it with a friend. It's always great to share your stuff with friends. And send me a message or two. It's okay about anything. Thank you for the messages you have been sending me, guys. In the background or up front here in the public forum. That's fine. I like it. Sorry, I'm probably not getting messages by the regular way at home because I don't have that cell number right now while I'm traveling. I've got a SIM card in my phone, so that changes things. The call to ride will continue. I hope you enjoyed the show, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Muchas gracias. Que cantando y emborrachando.